letters and sounds in Czech language. On this slide you can see all letters they exist in Czech language. Most of them you know from English, but we have some specialty. Above some letters we have small signs like small hook, small stick, or small circle, and those small symbols they change pronunciation. Let's start with vowels. If vowel has small stick above, it means it's long. Like for the letter A, short one A, long A. An example is káva. Same with e. In English you pronounce it E, but in Czech it is e. Then we have E. We call that soft E because we have two E's in Czech. In English you pronounce it I, but in Czech it is always E. Then there is O, U, and last one is again E, but we call that hard E or Y. For letter U, you can see that it could have small circle, and it also means that it's long letter. So U with circle and U with small stick has same pronunciation, long U. And what is interesting, Czech has also a hook, háček as we call it. How to read that? How to read this letter depends on what is the letter before a with hook. So if it follows b, p, or d, those violet letters, we read bije, pije, vje. And examples are oběd, pět, devět. If this E follows after D, T, N, we read that softly, not de, but dě. Děkuju. Instead of T, we read tě, soft tě. Těší mě. And ne became ně. Něco. Někdo. And we can also write this letter after M, and then the pronunciation is same, like MN with hook. Mně. Some more letters with háček. We spoke about soft dětěň on previous slide. If we want to pronunciate dětěň without e, we put small hook on that. So hard den, but soft teď, loď. Ten without háček, but with háček, paměť, déšť, dobrou chuť. N with hook, ne, but kůň, oheň, Plzeň. More letters with háček, with hook, c and č. Cibule, číslo. S and š. Šest, 60. Z and ž. Zebra. This animal, this with white and black stripes. And žirafa. And last one, r and š. Š is special Czech letter. It could be difficult, and although some Czech people have a problem with š. So if that is really difficult for you, you can replace that with ž. But I think it's possible to learn š. Now again all letters, but they are divided between vowels and consonants. Vowels could be long, and there is some of them could have čárka or kroužek, a small stick or small circle. Consonants are also divided in 3 groups: hard consonants, soft consonants, and neutral consonants. This dividing of consonant has one important reason, because we have 2 E's, měkké and tvrdé, soft and hard, and we have a rule that in Czech words, after hard consonants, we use hard E, Y. After soft consonants, we use soft E. Neutral consonant, there is no such rule. So hard consonants are h, ch, k, r, d, t, n. Soft consonants are all consonants with hook, with háček, plus c and j. And neutral consonants are b, f, l, m, p, s, v, z. Also pay attention to pronunciation of o, mouka, koukat, dobrou chuť. And also ch, we pronounce it like ch. Rychle chodit, dobrou chuť. I hope you like my video, and if you think it's interesting or useful, don't forget to look at my channel, what are my other videos and other shorts, and don't forget to subscribe.